Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss about the types of email in internet technology and management. So there are three types of email. The first is marketing email, notification email and transactional email. First of all we will discuss about the marketing email. In marketing email, emails stimulate your clients and leads. They contain informative incentive messages. The recipient must agree to receive such emails. Opt-in is mandatory. The recipient doesn't make an explicit request for a message in the particular. So there can be a periodicity, but the message can also be sent to a segment in particular. Nonetheless, the main point is that messages are sent independently from specific action from the client. For example, newsletters, flash sales and sales promotions, announcement, etc. The next one is notification email. Notification emails are also known as trigger, alert or auto responder. They allow the user to be notified each time a particular event happens or has happened. More generally, the notification email may be used in order to celebrate and or mark an event. It is either the recipient themselves or the sender that will establish criteria for an outgoing message to be triggered by an event. For example, birthday party, for status change and for shopping, etc. The last one is transactional email. This is an expected message and its content is information that the client wishes to check or confirm and not discover. This type of email is not intended to optimize the customer relationship but to define it and mark it out. It is a point of reference in one's CRM. As strong attention should be paid to this kind of emails. These emails must be specifically deal with wrongly delivered newsletters might impact leads, but an undelivered transactional emails will upset the customer. For example, welcoming message, account opening messages, order shipment confirmations, and payment, etc. Thank you.